So if you're an entrepreneur sitting there, maybe just, thinking about how to reach more clients, how to make your message land, then this one is for you. I wanted to talk about a book that's just been a game changer for me and so many other business owners when it comes to really cutting through the noise and connecting with customers. It's called Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller. If you haven't checked it out, you really should put that on your list. What Miller talks about in this book is incredibly powerful, especially when you think about building out your sales funnel. Because let's be honest, so many business out there have great products or services, but their message is just confusing. And if your customer is confused, they're not buying, right? StoryBrand gives you a super clear framework to simplify your message so customers actually get what you do and why they need it. And that's exactly what a good sales funnel is all about. He lays out these 7 universal story points, and when you apply them, they practically build your sales funnel for you. So here's how it works and why it's so important for your sales. First off, any good story, you have a character. And here's the kicker. Your customer is the hero of the story, not your business. You got to put them in front and center. When you craft your sales message, are they about your customer's journey or are they all about you? Next, that hero, your customer, faces a problem. And this isn't just an external problem. Like maybe their leaky roof. It's also an internal problem. Maybe they feel stressed about the roof or embarrassed. And sometimes there's even a philosophical problem. Why should I, as a homeowner, even have to deal with this? So when you identify all of these layers in your sales funnels, you're tapping into true pain points that drive action. Then the hero needs a guide. That's you. You're not the hero. You're the wise mentor who understands their problem and knows how to help. You show empathy and authority. This builds trust throughout your sales process. And what does a good guide offer? A plan. You give your customer a clear, simple plan to solve their problem. Usually, it's a 3-step plan, something easy to understand. This is where your sales funnel becomes tangible. The steps they need to take to buy from you. Make it simple. Okay? That plan needs to call to action. This is where you directly tell them what to do. Buy now, sign up here, call today. A lot of businesses are too passive here. Your sales funnels needs clear calls to action at every stage or people just won't move forward. Next, you paint a picture of the failure. What happens if they don't engage with your product or services? What negative consequences will they face? This isn't about fear mongering, but showing the stakes. Okay? A good sales funnel subtly reminds people of the pain of staying where they are. And finally, you show them the success. What does their life looks like after they buy from you? How has their world transformed? This is the aspirational vision, the happy ending. You, in your sales funnel, you are selling the transformation, not just the product. When you clarify your message using these 7 steps, your sales funnel practically builds itself. Your website, your email, your social media posts, they all become crystal clear because you're speaking directly to your customer's journey. It makes it so much easier for people to understand, connect with, and ultimately buy from you. So, if you want to make your sales funnels more effective, go check out Building a Story Brand. It's about simplifying, empathizing, and making it easy for your customers to say yes. All right. So if you're feeling that clarity now, here's what I want you to do. Pick just one of the 7 StoryBrand steps, the one that feels most urgent for your business right now, and commit to clarifying or implementing it in your messaging by the end of this week. What is it, and how will you tackle it? Share your action plans in the comments below.